Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials, your phone, browser, and network. Once done, open the chosen online Python compiler. I recommend a modern browser for stability. Tap the editor area to focus and paste or type a simple print. Hello, test. Make sure to grant storage or clipboard permission when asked, because saving and copying code depends on it. Next, locate the Run or Execute button so you can quickly switch to testing. This gets you to the first working. Now you write and execute. Start with a small function, then run it. You should type or paste code in chunks and hit run after each change to catch errors early. When errors appear, read the console output. Line numbers help you jump to the mistake. If the editor supports multiple files or projects, save often, use export if you lack cloud sync. Once the core loop works, refine input handling and test edge cases so your script behaves predictably on mobile. Finish by running full tests and saving a copy to device storage or cloud. You want to validate outputs for typical and edge inputs, and then export the file or copy it to a Node app. If you encounter delays, refresh the page and rerun. Make sure background apps aren't throttling CPU. As a key troubleshooting tip, if execution fails repeatedly, clear browser cache, reopen the page, and try a different browser. This often resolves permission, caching, or compatibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.